before installing the Arlo Go, we would have to have a man on site all night to make sure there was no theft, or we would come in ourselves and check. But now that we have the camera, we can leave it on all night and we can be safe and make sure that there's nobody on the site. By having the Arlo Go camera really saves a lot on security costs. I don't need a fence, I don't need a man at the job site. 1, 2, 3, put the camera wherever I want and look at it from my phone. It'll give me a notification if there's something strange going on. So by having the Arlo camera, we can save quite a bit of money. Okay, the Arlo Go camera is really good because you can take it to any job site that you want. We have 4 cameras right now because we have 4 jobs, but once we finish one job, we can take it to the new job. Prior to installing the Arlo Go, we don't really know what's going on the jobs unless we're here all day. But if we're running a few jobs, we can check in just from our phone. It's so simple. And the Arlo Go has already saved us money by actually seeing men sitting down on their phones or not taking breaks at the right time. The Arlo Go camera does serve as a deterrent because they can see it and they know that the job's being watched. Well, the Arlo cameras provide me with a lot of peace of mind because if all my employees are doing what they're supposed to do, I can check on them from the comfort of my own office, my car, home, wherever I want to be. So it does relieve a lot of stress. I think that if you're a contractor, you really need one of these Arlo Go cameras because it just does so much for you.